Do you hear this? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are gonna be doing a DEZI skin unboxing. I ordered it on the day of the launch. I set an alarm on my phone so I can make sure that I got this product because I was so scared it was gonna get sold out, but it's not sold out. They still have it on her website. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. And when you open, it says DEZI skin. I ordered this on the day it dropped. I ordered it on the 8th and I got it in on the 15th. Some brown paper, my receipt, and here it is. This is what the box looks like. Comes with a receipt. So this is the packaging. I already opened it and used it a few times, but I just put it back in the packaging for you to show you. I'm also gonna try it on in this video to show you. CLARO QUE C Vitamin C Glow Serum. It's 1 fluid ounces, and let me tell you, I don't know if anyone else saw her YouTube video about this product, but literally her YouTube video is what sold me. It was so convincing, and she said how her friend had a few dark spots that she could not clear up, and this cleared it up. And as you can tell, I have like one here, one on my pimple, on my lip. I have a few dark spots from old pimples and being the sun. So I'm hoping this helps, but on the back, it reads 15% pure vitamin C, which is definitely a good amount because I think I used to use the Drunk Elephant one and it only had 10%. I'm not sure if I'm right on that, but so it says apply 1 to 2 pumps on a clean, dry face, morning before sunscreen or evening after cleansing. It's fragrance-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. It also has the ingredients and what I just read in Spanish. And what I just noticed is when you open it, love that, never tested on animals. So you open it, and here we have it. Comes right out. Now here it is. It is so pretty. It's like 2 different texture. Up here it's like lined and then soft. Shake well before use. And you open it. This is the pump, exactly what she showed us in that video. I'll wash my hands real quick. So just in case you are wondering, I washed my face with the Cerave foaming cleanser. Just got out of the shower and I exfoliated, so I used the Derma E Microdermabrasion scrub. Open, show you what 1 pump looks like. That is 1 pump. I'm gonna start with 1 pump because I think that's all my face needs. It has no scent. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it glue up my skin. Okay. Let me show you in some natural lighting. So it actually gave my skin like an instant glow, and I didn't realize that before. Now she mentioned that it's not sticky. Do you hear this? It's not sticky, but I feel like it's a little tacky, but not like sticky. Just a little tacky. I'm going to use it consistently every day for a month and do like a before and after picture. I used it once before, second time using it, I haven't really broken out. I feel like vitamin C's don't break you out anyway, so that's something you shouldn't be worried about. And I want this because I want to see a difference. Vitamin C, so I can really get like the dark spots brighter and get rid of them. You know, everyone's skin is different. Certain skincare products work for others, but if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a video. I'll see you in my next video.